Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play No Hesi Assetto Corsa without needing any paid downloadable content. First, ensure you own the base Assetto Corsa game on your PC. Next, download and install Content Manager, which acts as a powerful launcher for all your mods. After that, use Content Manager to easily install the Custom Shaders Patch, or CSP, which significantly enhances the game's graphics and features. Now, let's get some awesome free content. Many websites offer community-made cars that perfectly fit the No Hesi style. Look for popular drift and street car packs. You can also find numerous free tracks, such as the iconic Ibisu Complex or the urban Brooklyn Park, to enhance your driving experience. Installing these is simple. Just drag and drop the downloaded zip files directly into Content Manager, and it handles the rest. To truly enjoy the No Hesi experience, optimizing your settings is key. Within Content Manager, navigate to the Custom Shaders Patch settings to adjust graphics for both performance and visual fidelity. Spend some time fine-tuning the physics and force feedback to get a realistic feel from your steering wheel. Also, ensure your controller or wheel is properly calibrated for precise and responsive inputs. Finally, it's time to hit the virtual streets with others. Use Content Manager's online tab to find public servers, specifically looking for those labeled No DLC to ensure compatibility. Joining the official No Hesi Discord and other community servers is highly recommended for finding new free mods, event announcements, and connecting with fellow drivers. Enjoy the thrill of street racing with a vibrant community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.